Okay, it says the histogram shows information about time the trains arrive late at a station one day. Since it says histogram, I know that it's the area of the bars that equal frequency, so I will always write that down. To work the area of the bar, it's always the width times the height equals, that's the area, and so therefore that is the frequency. And I normally work out that the height is the frequency divided by the width. And I do that before I do it anyway, because I know I'm probably going to need something like that. Right. David says that the range of times for these trains arrived is actually 48 minutes. Could he be correct? Well, it goes, we don't know everything in here. We know that there were however many, it's an area here. So we know that there were some between 0 and 10. We don't know exactly what they were. And here we know that there were some between 30 and 50. We don't know what they were. Could he be correct? Yes, he could, because range could be between, well, they could be very close to here, all of being at 31 and all of these being at 9, it's being between, well, say 30 to 10, so they could between 20, and they could be right at the top here at 50 and they right down at the bottom here at 0, so between 20 and 50. So yes, he could be correct. 10 of these trains were between 30 and 50. So between 10, this bit here, that's 10. And I want to know what the height of that is. So the height, it's a good thing I wrote this down, equals a frequency, which is 10, divided by the width, which is 20. So that's 0.5. It's a half. So that's 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, and 3.5. Okay. Right, work out the number of trains that were most 15 minutes late. That is these ones here. I'll do it. A and B. They were at most 15 minutes late. So I need to find out how many are in the A. And so that will be, that's the frequency. So that's the width times the height. So that's the width is 10 times by the height is 2.1. So it's 21 there. And then B also, it's a width, which in this case is 5, times by the height, which is 3.2, and 5 times 3.2, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 0.2 is 1, so that makes 16 altogether there. So total number of trains will be 21 plus 16, which is 37. Can't see the marks, but there's actual 3 marks for that. And that's 15 done.